Hello everyone, I am Dr. Godanda Raman. In this section, we are going to discuss with exponential distribution problem. Look at this problem. Time in hours required to repair a machine is exponential distributed with the parameter lambda 1 by 2. What is the probability that the repair time exceeds 2 hours? What is the conditional probability that the repair takes at least 10 hours given that its duration exceeds 9 hours? So this is a problem. Now this problem, no issue because of directly is mentioned exponential distribution. Suppose it's not mentioned, first to check the given problem is discrete or continuous. Discrete, finite number of value, and countably infinite number, and continuous, interval, range. So continuous. Now this problem, time interval, time range, whatever we call. So this is a continuous. Therefore lambda when is given, we can apply with Poisson distribution or exponential distribution. When we can use by Poisson distribution, when discrete type of problem, we can apply with Poisson distribution. When continuous distribution, continuous type of problems, we can apply with exponential distribution. Okay, fine. Now exponential distribution function. Exponential distribution f of x lambda e power minus lambda x, x greater than or equal to 0. Next, given lambda value 1 by 2. Therefore f of x 1 by 2 e power minus 1 by 2 x, x greater than or equal to 0. And what is x? X is nothing but random variable of time. Random variable of time to repair the machine. Repair the machine. So this is the x value. Now what is the first question? So probability of, what is the probability that the repair time exceeds 2 hours? Exceeds 2 hours means x greater than or equal to 2. So x greater than or equal to 2 means 2 to infinity, because of x range should be 0 to infinity, minimum to maximum infinity, f of x dx. Now substitute f of x value 2 to infinity, f of x 1 by 2 e power minus 1 by 2 x into dx. Now what is the integration? E power minus ax dx equal to e power minus ax by minus a. So this is our integration. Here a 1 by 2. So I am taking 1 by 2 constant out. E power minus 1 by 2 x integration by minus 1 by 2 to infinity. Now cancel this 2 term, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Substitute upper limit. E power, when I substitute infinity into any term, for example minus 1 by 2 into infinity, minus e power minus 1 by 2 into 2. Upper limit minus of lower limit divided by minus 1. So multiply with any term with infinity, infinity, minus cancel with this 2. Therefore e power minus 1 by minus 1. E power minus infinity value 0, minus minus plus. So the value is nothing but e power minus 1. So use to calculator the value 0.3679. So this is a x greater than 2. And second question, next question. What is a conditional probability that, repair take at least 10 hours given that its duration 9 hours, exceeds 9. So the question is x greater than 10. given that x greater than 9. This is our question. Now before that, memoryless property. Memoryless property. So what is a memoryless property? X greater than s plus t given x greater than s is nothing but x greater than t. So this is a memoryless property. So we can apply with this two way. One is using conditional probability, another form using memoryless property. Now compared to this memoryless property, this term is nothing but x greater than s plus t. Here s is 9. Just compare this, s 9. Therefore 9 plus 1 given x greater than 9. So compared to this condition, x greater than s plus t given x greater than 9 is nothing but x greater than 1. Now integration 1 to infinity f of x dx. So what is the f of x? 1 by 2 e power minus 1 by 2 x into dx. Now the integration 1 by 2 e power minus 1 by 2 x by minus 1 by 2 1 to infinity. Now cancel this two term. Substitute upper limit minus of lower limit. E power minus infinity upper limit minus e power minus 1 by 2 by minus 1. So e power minus infinity 0. Therefore minus minus plus e power minus 1 by 2, the value is nothing but 0.6065. So this is a using memoryless property. Suppose another form without using memoryless property, or x greater than 10 given x greater than 9. So what is the probability that the repair take at least 10 hours? So at least 10 hours means, so if you have any confusion, at least means greater than or equal to 10, we can include, because of in continuous distribution not a issue, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So you have any confusion, no problem, include this. Okay, so not a issue, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, because we are choosing boundary point. So now this is our point. So now how to solve using another way, conditional probability. Conditional probability. So conditional probability, A given B, probability of A intersection B, probability of B. So this is our multiplication law. From this multiplication law, the condition is conditional probability. Now we can consider this, the whole part A, the whole part B. Therefore this is the whole part. Okay, therefore probability of A intersection B, x greater than or equal to 10 intersection x greater than 9 divide by x greater than 9. So A given B formula. Now from these two condition, what does it mean? That 10, 11, 12 infinity, or 10.1, 10.2, whatever, from the 10 to infinity and from 9 to infinity. So what is a common term from these two condition? So common is nothing but from the 10 common. So what is the intersection? Common. Therefore x greater than or equal to 10 given x greater than 9. Now should consider this is the equation number 1. So now to find numerator separate, denominator separate. X greater than or equal to 10. 10 to infinity f of x dx. So what is the f of x? 1 by 2 e power minus 1 by 2 x into dx. Now integration of this e power minus 1 by 2 x by minus 1 by 2 10 to infinity. To cancel this two term, e power minus infinity minus e power minus 1 by 2 into 10 minus 1. E power minus infinity 0, minus minus plus, so this is the value e power minus 1 by 2, so 2 is nothing but 5, e power minus 5. So this is the x greater than or equal to 10. And then next x greater than 9. 9 to infinity f of x e power minus 1 by 2 x into dx. When I integrate this 1 by 2 constant, e power minus 1 by 2 x by minus 1 by 2, 9 to infinity. Cancel this constant 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Substitute upper limit and then lower limit. E power minus infinity minus e power minus 9 by 2 by minus 1. So this is the minus minus plus e power minus 4.5. X greater than 9. So now this is the third equation. This is a second equation. Now substitute 2, 3 in equation 1. Substitute 2, 3 in 1. X greater than or equal to 10 given x greater than 9 is nothing but x greater than or equal to 10 by x greater than 9. So substitute e power minus 5 by e power minus 4.5. Therefore to take this numerator 5 plus 4.5, the value is nothing but e power minus 0.5. So this is a 0.6065. So this is a using conditional probability form. See, very lengthy process when we can apply with the conditional probability. But if you apply direct memoryless property, easy to one step we are getting the solution. Thank you.